Hello everyone, I am Giberly T.S. Tuesta from BSCE1 Ordaneta Campus. So for today's video, I want to delve into the profound concept of compassion. And at its core is the essence of humanity and connects us all through empathy, kindness, and understanding. Let's talk about compassion. So, what is compassion? Compassion is a fundamental human emotion and virtue that involves feeling empathy and showing kindness and understanding towards others. So, especially in times of suffering or difficulty, it is the ability to recognize the pain, struggles, or needs of another person and to respond to their suffering. So, when communities come together to practice empathy and understanding, they create a nurturing environment where compassion thrives and flourishes. And expressing compassion towards others in a fundamental aspects of building harmonious relationships and fostering a sense of community. It involves listening without judgment, offering a help hand, and being present for those in need. Through small gestures of kindness and understanding, we can create a more compassionate and supportive society. So, compassion is more than just like a feeling, and it is a way of being that involves acknowledging the suffering of others and responding with love and care. And it's all about recognizing the shared humanity in all beings and extending a help hand without judgment or expectation. So, compassion involves not only feeling for others, but also taking action to help and support them in a selfless and empathetic manner. It is about connecting with others on a deeper level. So, acknowledging their humanity and responding in love with them and empathy and genuine desire to make a positive difference in their lives. So the main point of compassion is to toward people involves being present for them, listening without judgment, offering a helping hand, and showing them a genuine concern for their well-being. So it is about fostering connections, building relationship based on empathy and supportive, nurturing environment where individuals feel valued, heard, and cared for. Expressing compassion in caring for the environment and others. So, compassion extends beyond human interactions to include our environment. So, caring for the planet or our environment is to compassion involves sustainability aspects, practices, and conservation efforts, and a deep respect for nature. So, when we compassion through acts of kindness, support, or empathy, we create ripple effect of positivity that uplift individuals and communities. So, let's talk about the role of communal discernment in fostering compassion. So, communal discernment is the process of making collective decisions that prioritize the well-being of all members of a community. By engaging in communal discernment, we can foster a culture of compassion and empathy. that permits uh, our interactions and relationships. And let's add the personal growth and well-being. So compassion is not merely a virtue, but a catalyst for personal growth and well-being. So by cultivating compassion, individuals develop a deeper understanding of themselves and their place in the world. And empathy allows us to see beyond our experiences and connect with struggles of others and connect it in fostering a sense of shared humanity. So this connection in turn promotes self-awareness or and emotional intelligence, enabling to navigate complex and social interactions with a greater empathy and understanding. And some studies have shown that individuals engaged in acts of compassion experience an increased level of happiness, life satisfactions, and overall well-being. And creating a more compassionate world. So, compassion is the power to bridge divides, heal wounds, and create a more inclusive and empathetic society. So, let us commit to practicing compassion in our daily lives, reaching out to those in need, and advocating for a world where kindness and understanding prevail. So, by cultivating compassion, we will not only benefit ourselves but also contribute to a more humane and compassionate society as navigate the complexities of 21st century. Compassion serves as a guiding principle. So, and reminding us of our shared humanity and the importance of working together to create a better future for all. So, in conclusion, compassion is powerful force that transcends individual experiences, shaping our personal growth, strengthening our communities, and fostering a more just quietable world. By cultivating compassion, we not only get a benefit for ourselves, but also contribute to a more humane and compassionate society. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, compassion serves as a guiding principle, reminding us of our shared humanity and the importance of working together to create a better future for all. Thank you for joining me today. We explored how compassion is not just a grand gesture, but a collection of small, everyday acts that make a world of difference from a kind to a helping hand. Compassion can transform our lives and the lives of those around us. So let's remember to practice compassion in our daily lives or interactions with other people, whether it's offering a listening ear to a friend, holding the door for someone, or simply smile at a stranger. These small acts of kindness ripple out towards So creating a more compassionate world. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, and be well and be kind. Thank you.